This is McDowell Creek, about 5 miles south of I-70. So the creek bank is normally right here, and it has not crested. It's going to come up probably another 2 to 3 feet or more. It's running out of the banks way over there, coming across here. We have a tributary over here that's still dumping a ton of water in. If we get any more rain, it's going to be really bad. It's already bad enough. And I can't be here very long because you see that right back there? It's starting to run across the road, so I got to take this video and get back on my side. But this is really rushing through here.